Welcome to our guide on creating cozy living rooms you'll love in 2025. If you're looking to update your living space with the latest design trends while maintaining comfort and warmth, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll walk through some of the most stunning and cozy living room ideas that are set to define interior design in the coming year. Whether your style is modern, minimalist, or eclectic, you'll find plenty of inspiration to help transform your living room into a cozy sanctuary. One of the key trends we'll see in 2025 is the focus on plush, comfortable furniture. Soft, overstuffed sofas and chairs that invite you to sink in and relax are going to be big in the new year. Think oversized sectionals with deep seats, layered with cozy throws and cushions. Comfort is at the core of this trend, and homeowners are embracing spaces that feel warm and welcoming. When it comes to color schemes, earthy tones will continue to dominate cozy living room designs. Muted shades like terracotta, warm taupe, and soft beige are perfect for creating a grounding, serene atmosphere. Layering these tones with plush textiles like faux fur throws, chunky knit blankets, and textured pillows can add depth and dimension to your living room, making it feel effortlessly cozy. In 2025, natural materials are also taking center stage. Wood, stone, and woven elements bring warmth and an organic feel to any living room. Consider integrating natural wood furniture, like a reclaimed wooden coffee table or shelving unit, to create a timeless, cozy aesthetic. Stone fireplaces or accent walls are another great way to add texture and a sense of earthy luxury to your living space. Lighting plays a crucial role in making a living room feel cozy, and layered lighting is key in 2025. Gone are the days of relying solely on overhead lighting. Instead, use a mix of table lamps, floor lamps, and wall sconces to create a warm, inviting glow in your space. Dimmable lights and candles can also help set the mood, especially during the evening when you want to wind down in a relaxed environment. Minimalism will continue to influence living room design in 2025, but with a cozier twist. This cozy minimalism focuses on simple, clean lines while still incorporating soft, inviting elements. You don't need an overabundance of decor to make your space feel cozy. Just a few well-chosen pieces, like a soft rug underfoot or a pair of velvet cushions on the couch, can make all the difference. The idea is to keep your living room clutter-free while ensuring that it remains a warm and comfortable place to relax. If you prefer a more eclectic style, 2025 is a great year to experiment with mixing different design elements while still keeping your living room cozy. Pair modern furniture with vintage accents, such as a mid-century modern coffee table or an antique side chair. Add in personal touches like artwork, family photos, or unique knickknacks to give the room character without sacrificing comfort. The goal is to strike a balance between style and coziness. Cozy living rooms in 2025 aren't just about aesthetics, they're also about functionality. Family-friendly designs that accommodate daily life are becoming increasingly popular. Think easy-to-clean fabrics, durable rugs, and furniture that can withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. It's all about creating a space where you can relax without worrying too much about keeping everything pristine. A cozy living room should be inviting and practical, where everyone feels at home. Another trend we'll see more of in 2025 is sustainability in living room design. Eco-conscious homeowners are opting for furniture made from sustainable materials and practices. This includes sofas and chairs made from recycled fabrics, furniture crafted from sustainably sourced wood, and energy-efficient lighting. Not only do these choices help the environment, but they also contribute to a warm, natural aesthetic that adds to the cozy feel of your living space. Finally, smart storage solutions will be a game changer for cozy living rooms in 2025. Clutter can take away from the coziness of a space, so incorporating stylish and functional storage is key. Built-in bookshelves, ottomans with hidden storage, and multifunctional furniture like coffee tables with drawers can help keep your living room organized while still looking great. A well-organized room feels more open and inviting, which naturally adds to the cozy atmosphere. As we look ahead to 2025, cozy living rooms will be defined by comfort, warmth, and personal style. Whether you're drawn to minimalist designs, earthy tones, or an eclectic mix of modern and vintage, there's a cozy living room style for everyone. We hope these tips inspire you to create a living space that's not only stylish, but also a welcoming haven for you and your loved ones. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your favorite garden design inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.